Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of concrete sealers.
And I'm excited to introduce you to what many consider the best in the business.
Introducing the Armor AG Brown Seal 25 Brown Tinted Exposed Aggregate Sealer.
This high-quality sealer from Foundation Armor is a game-changer for anyone looking to protect and enhance their concrete surfaces.
Let's get right into why this product stands out from the competition. First and foremost, it offers unparalleled protection.
The Armor AG Brown Seal forms a durable, long-lasting barrier that shields your concrete from damage caused by abrasion, spills, water absorption, road salts, and weather. Just imagine your driveway, walkway, patio, or pool deck maintaining its pristine appearance for years to come, thanks to the Armor AG Brown Seal.
But protection is just the beginning.
This sealer is also incredibly easy to apply, whether you prefer using a roller or a solvent-resistant pump sprayer.
Its acrylic formulation ensures smooth application and excellent adhesion to the surface.
And check this out. The Armor AG Brown Seal leaves behind a stunning, brown-tinted semi-transparent high-gloss finish. It doesn't just protect your concrete, it enhances its natural beauty, making it look fresh and vibrant.
Worried about the appearance of your aggregate getting lost? Fear not.
This sealer works to enhance the aggregate, ensuring that it remains visible while still providing maximum protection.
Whether you have poured concrete, stamped concrete, aggregate concrete,
or concrete pavers, the Armor AG Brown Seal is your go-to solution.
It's versatile enough to be used on both new and existing surfaces, making it perfect for all your concrete sealing needs. Now, let's talk about compliance.
The Armor AG Brown Seal comes in a 700 VOC formulation, which meets regulations in most states. However, be sure to check your local regulations to ensure compliance. So, why choose the Armor AG Brown Seal over other options?
Well, for starters,
it's backed by Foundation Armor, a family-owned business with over 30 years of experience in the concrete industry.
Plus, with more than 29 products in their lineup, you can trust that Foundation Armor knows a thing or two about concrete sealing. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best concrete aggregate sealer on the market, look no further than the Armor AG Brown Seal 25 Brown Tinted Exposed Aggregate Sealer. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on products that make a difference. Until next time, happy sealing!